Hey y'all, check it out. Did something new today. I just got a windshield in the mail yesterday. So I attached it to the scooter today. Take a look at that. So here it is. All up there, all the way down. It attaches to my mirrors. So now it does a plus. That made it kind of easy. And like that. So I'm all set. It only took like 10 minutes. 10 minutes to do. So now I'm all set. I'm thinking about attaching a scooter cam right here, facing that way. So now I can record all the interactions on the road. But so far, that's it. It looks funny as hell when I look at it. Let me show you. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. But I'm just glad to have something there. So I feel the breeze blowing over my head as I drive. But that's cool, you know.